In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glowing effect on images using Canva. Whether you're designing an eye-catching social media post or adding flair to a project, this glow effect can make your images stand out. So, let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. Once you're in, create a new canvas by selecting the Custom Size option. Here, you can enter the dimensions you need. For this tutorial, I'm using a 1080 by 1080 pixels canvas, which is perfect for Instagram posts. This size is versatile and ensures that your design maintains quality across different platforms. Next, take a look at the left side panel of your Canva interface. Here, you have the option to upload a photo, or choose one from Canva's extensive library. If you have a particular image in mind, go ahead and upload it. If not, feel free to explore Canva's stock images to find something that suits your design needs. Once you've selected your image, it's time to change the background color of your canvas. Selecting a darker color here is key because it will help the glow effect stand out more prominently. Simply click on the background and choose a darker hue from the color palette. This is a great tip to keep in mind whenever you want to emphasize the glow effect. Now, drag your image onto the canvas. Position it where you'd like it to appear in your design. With your image in place, we need to remove its background to ensure that the glow effect applies precisely. To do this, hover over the floating toolbar that appears when the image is selected and click on the BG Remover tool. This powerful feature will seamlessly remove the background from your image. After the background is removed, return to the floating toolbar and click the Edit option. This will bring down a plethora of editing choices. Scroll down to the Effects section, where you will find the Shadows feature. Here, click on Glow to add a captivating glow effect to your image. Instantly, you will see the glow framing your subject, giving it a dynamic visual appeal. To refine the effect, adjust the size of the glow using the slider provided. The size control helps in making the glow more pronounced or subtle based on your preference. After that, tweak the blur amount. This setting allows you to control how sharp or diffuse the glow appears, adding to the overall look of your design. Next, you might want to adjust the intensity of the glow. This setting dictates how vivid the glow is, which is crucial in achieving the perfect balance for your image. Lastly, consider changing the color of the glow to complement your design's color scheme. With Canva's color palette, you have a wide array of options to customize the glow's hue. And there you have it. A simple and effective method to create a glowing effect on images in Canva. Experiment with different backgrounds, glow sizes, and colors to see what works best for your designs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.